Ever feel like that pickle jar is mocking you? Like it's saying, not today, buddy? Well, stick around because in just 2 minutes, I'm giving you the ultimate 5 dumbbell exercises to turn those noodle arms into jar-opening machines. Let's get pumped, literally. Ever tried lifting a dumbbell the size of a small car? Yeah, me neither. Chuckles. These exercises will work whether you're using 5 pounds or, I don't know, 2 cans of soup you found in your pantry. Let's do this. First up, bicep curls. Classic, right? Just curl those weights up like you're lifting a giant cheeseburger to your mouth. And remember, don't swing. This is arm day, not dance practice. If it feels like you're lifting a car, you're doing it right. Now for the overhead tricep extension. Lower that weight down behind your head, carefully. This one's like saying, hey triceps, wake up, we've got work to do. And remember, it's like reaching for the stars, but with a dumbbell in hand. Lateral raises, lift those weights out like you're about to take flight. Just remember, you're building wings here, not flapping them. Pretend you're a bird soaring through the sky. Next up, hammer curls. Pretend you're hammering out all the excuses you had for skipping arm day. Remember, no swinging, no cheating, just gains. And hey, if you feel like Thor by the end, you're doing it right. Finally, dumbbell rows. It's like you're pulling your imaginary groceries out of the car, but this time the groceries are your ticket to sculpted arms. Think of it as rowing a boat to Muscle Island, nice and controlled. Don't leave yet. I've got a tip at the end that's so good, even your dumbbells will thank you, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. There you have it. 5 killer exercises for arms that'll make your sleeves jealous. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thank you.